Hello everyone. So guys, we are here with Parth Mane. Parth Mane, a very nice story that you would love to hear. He's one who has broken one stereotype. That is, जिसको JB मिला, but he's come to Sydenham. So Parth Mane is right now at Sydenham. He's a previous Crack Heritage student, and I'm really proud of him. Now, again, I'm going to leave the stage to him. Parth, basically, what I wanted to tell the students, एक तेरा experience कैसा था? Overall preparation का तूने क्या क्या कैसे किया? First, tell about your profile. Profile में क्या क्या है? Then say your prep experience. Second, कहाँ पे तू अटका था? Why do you think last year नहीं हुआ और ये साल हुआ? And what helped you do it? मतलब ये साल तूने क्या अलग किया? That is all.
Okay.
And also, then I'm going to ask you about your JB ka MSc Finance.
Yeah, definitely.
So for the people just saying in advance, Parth got JB में MSc Finance का admission, but he did not take it, and he's come to Sydenham for a reason. वो सब बताएगा, ठीक है? चलो.
Okay. So my name is Parth Suhas Mane, and I have completed my BTech in Chemical Engineering from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. And post that I have done data science course, and along with the preparation for MHCET.
So tell me about your overall preparation strategy. कब तूने चालू किया? I guess this was a second attempt, right?
Yeah.
This was a second attempt. Last year तूने क्या किया था? ये साल तूने क्या किया? How did things differ this time? कहाँ पे do you think that you lagged in your preparation last year as compared to this year? And what was your overall preparation strategy this year for everything?
Okay.
वो बता.
So last year I got slot 3. And I guess that was the most difficult slot last year, and also it was very quant heavy and RC heavy. Also the DI were very lengthy and very calculative. So this year for English VRC part I did read many books, and for also the grammar rules I referred to 120 rules by Nimisha Bansal book.
YouTube.
No YouTube, no book.
Achha, the book. Okay.
Yeah. So the book, and for the DI part I did mostly calculations.
तो calculations में मतलब क्या? You were just doing speed math regularly?
Yes, definitely that helps.
तो now you tell me what happened last year and what happened this year. Like why do you think that this year you ended up scoring better than last year? ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
That's probably because I did more practice, solve mocks effectively and efficiently. That's also one of the factors, and mostly because I was preparing along with the group of friends, mostly Crack Every Test friends. So that also helped me a lot, because we used to exchange strategies with each other, tips and tricks. So that helped me cover the quants topic that I was not good at.
So you were studying along with Shweta and all of these?
Yeah, Shweta, Snehal.
अच्छा, Shweta Snehal उन सब के साथ तो पढ़ रहा था. तो मतलब तुम लोग मॉक एनालिसिस और वो सब भी साथ में कर रहे थे?
Yeah.
अच्छा, तो मॉक्स को कैसे एनालाइज करते थे? क्या करते थे? व्हाट मटेरियल एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू आर यूजिंग?
मोस्टली क्रैक एवरी टेस्ट के मॉक्स थे, एंड देन टेस्ट फंडा, देन CET King, and then IMS. So I had this 4 mocks because
your experience with all 4? How was it?
Okay, so I will be straight, because CET is very unpredictable. We don't know what slot is going to be at which level, so we have to prepare at each level. So for the low level I did CET King, because scoring maximum in low level is the key factor there. So then for the medium to high, then there comes test funda, Crack Every Test. And for the highest
level of difficulty, IMS is known for the highest level of difficulty. This year what we are doing differently is that हम जो 30 mocks है अपने, उसको हम shift कर रहे हैं 20 the normal जैसा अपना level है, and 10 advanced mocks which are going to be like tough level. Just preparing for the worst case scenario. तो उसके लिए उस हिसाब से बना रहे हैं. The questions will be directly like not CAT questions. They will be literally like they are asking CET only, but complicated, more calculative. थोड़ा ज़्यादा तुम्हें concept knowledge लगेगा. So the point behind those tests will be question selection has to be the most important thing there. That is what we are aiming to do this time. ये question selection अगर सही रहेगा ना, तो तुम उस mock में भी score कर पाओगे. So I have personally looked into each and every mock and made sure that there are questions जहाँ पे तुम score कर सको, बट वो क्वेश्चंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करके उसमें सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. और जो क्वेश्चन है टफ वाले या फिर जो क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, उनको छोड़ना सीखना पड़ेगा. तो ये सब वो एनालिसिस के टाइम तुम लोग को, मतलब एज यू सॉ दैट वो ABC एनालिसिस में भी आता था. सो उसमें उसके साथ अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू विल ऑल्सो गेट दैट कौन से क्वेश्चंस करने लायक थे, नहीं करने लायक थे, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. यू विल ऑल्सो गेट टू सी दैट ऑन एन एवरेज लोगों को कितना टाइम लग रहा है. तो अगर सबको ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, मतलब वो क्वेश्चन था टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, मतलब वो क्वेश्चन नहीं करना चाहिए था. सो यू हैव टू स्पेसिफिकली स्टैंड आउट. तुम्हें एग्जैक्टली ये मॉक्स में अब पता चलेगा दैट मैं दूसरे लोगों से कैसे अलग रहूँ. हाउ डू आई बी बेटर देन अदर्स. That is what the plan is this year. इस year उस हिसाब से सारे mocks बन रहे हैं. The entire interface is being changed.
So that's why like that was the only factor that last year नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि like I was not ready for the each level. This year along with the quants and VRC, I was prepared for each and every level.
And now let's ask about your MSc Finance का experience. So as I said, Parth got an admission in MSc Finance and he ended up taking Sydenham. तो Parth, why? First of all, why? लोग वही सोचते हैं कि यार ब्रांड है JB तो क्यों नहीं जाना? This is the common question.
Yes, because मुझे ऑपरेशंस में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है क्योंकि पहले ही जब इंडक्शन हो रहा था सिडनम का तो सारे गेस्ट लेक्चर आ रहे थे लाइक तो ऑपरेशंस का भी एक गेस्ट लेक्चर है तो पहले तो क्लीन स्लेट था पूरा. सो मनोज भाटिया सर का एक हुआ था गेस्ट लेक्चर तो उसमें लाइक इंटरेस्ट आया बहुत लाइक द वे ही टोल्ड दैट ऑपरेशन इज द बैकबोन ऑफ एवरी इंडस्ट्री एंड बिजनेस. So like he told how operation works, what are the stereotypes in operations. So वो सारे stereotype टूट गए थे. So it also increased my inclination towards it. So and after that finance का result आया था.
अच्छा. But तुम्हारा MSc Finance का interview happened before your induction.
Yeah, before.
Right.
हाँ.
अच्छा. So तूने इंटरव्यू दिया तब तूने बोला कि फाइनेंस चाहिए बट व्हेन यू सैट फॉर द इंडक्शन एक्चुअली सॉ टीचिंग ऑपरेशंस तब माइंड चेंज हुआ.
हाँ तो नहीं एक्चुअली वो अगर ऑपरेशंस का भी होता तो मैं ऑपरेशंस की तरफ इंक्लिनेशन करके मैं इंटरव्यू देता.
हाँ.
सो वो फाइनेंस का था तो मैंने वैसे उनको बताया.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग. You had prepared for the interview in such a manner only.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So overall interview experience तेरा कैसा? Like what kind of questions were asked to you? I understand you are not from a finance background.
Yeah.
Now students who were from a finance background they were asked tough proper financial questions. Students जो finance background के नहीं है उनको मेनली उनके प्रोफाइल पे ज़्यादा questions आया. तो I understand you are not from a finance background because data science. तेरा इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या तुझे पूछा था? How long was it?
I guess 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. So starting with the introduction. So I gave my introduction and then when it came to the gap and in that gap what I did. सो उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आए थे. फिर बाद में डेटा साइंस उन्होंने देखा उसमें तो उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछे. एंड देन वाई फिर उसके बाद AI के बारे में पूछा. व्हाट इज AI, कैन AI रिप्लेस ह्यूमंस, वो सब आया. EVs के बारे में पूछा. फिर उसके बाद
मेनली अबाउट बीइंग मोर अवेयर ऑफ सराउंडिंग्स.
जीके के बारे में पूछा 2-3 क्वेश्चंस इंडस्ट्री में, फाइनेंस की इंडस्ट्री में. फिर वाई फाइनेंस and why finance from JBIMS. So ये questions थे.
Oh, that was very specific to JB. That they were trying to check that तूने कितना research किया है.
Yeah.
About the course and about the overall curriculum and about JBIMS, the history of it. तो वो उनको देखना था.
Also there was one question कि finance ही क्यों लेना है तुमको, वो भी यहाँ से. Why take admission here only and you don't have anything finance related background, so why are you entering finance? So on that I said like I have seen your curriculum and you teach students from basic itself. So that's what I told.
फाइनेंस में वो लोग बेसिक से पूरा ऊपर तक सब कुछ पढ़ाते हैं. इनफैक्ट वहाँ पे फाइनेंस अगर प्रॉपर पढ़ना है तो फिर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. बट यू सेड यू आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑपरेशन, सो इट्स अ नाइस चॉइस. ओवरऑल फाइनली over 5 or 6 years down the line, if you are from JB or Sydenham, your work will speak more for you. But it is like 5 or 6 years down the line, तब तेरे में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं रहेगा. तब तक बस properly काम करना है.
Also before taking this decision, I have consulted many people, like from the people who are in the industry itself, also the finance pass outs.
Okay.
So that's what the answer they gave me. Also they said like what is your interest.
पहले वो करो
फिर बाद में ब्रांड का देखो.
हाँ,
क्योंकि अगर उधर जाके भी अगर तुमको मजा नहीं आ रहा है तो क्या
काम ही करने में मजा नहीं आएगा. मेक सेंस, एब्सोल्युटली मेक सेंस.
तो इसलिए ब्रांड के पीछे नहीं भागा मैं.
चलो नाइस. सो एनीवे इन द ओवरऑल जर्नी वेयर डू यू थिंक दैट क्रैकविटिस वाज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू? लाइक व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ क्रैकविटिस हेल्प यू द मोस्ट?
यस, सो लाइक योर टीचिंग्स and then the group that we made for the practice, so that was very helpful because we used to share our tips and tricks. And if any student got any good marks, he used to share us like how he did it during the mock.
मॉक में माइंडसेट क्या था? ये क्वेश्चन के लिए क्या अप्रोच यूज किया, क्या टेक्निक यूज किया फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, और व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू पेड अटेंशन टू? That's a nice thing. And what material did you use overall during your preparation?
Okay, so during the last year, I will be honest, last year I saw that CET was picking questions from the Google. Okay, so mostly this year I was focused on Google.
Okay.
I did questions from the Google. Randomly put any keywords there.
Aptitude-based questions.
Yeah, aptitude-based questions. Whichever side comes first, practice it.
Huh.
And then your books also. And then, yeah, that's it.
Okay. So that's nice. And apart from that, are there any other books that you're following? I've seen a lot of students follow R.S. Agarwal, Narun Sharma.
No.
वो सब नहीं.
नहीं.
अच्छा, so you crack the test का books and internet पे जो तुझे material मिला वो सारा.
And there was mostly one PDF that is I don't
Let's Study
remember.
Together?
Yes, let's study.
Let's Study Together से very nice source. अभी मैंने वीडियो बनाया उसमें मैंने बोला कि Let's Study Together की PDF अच्छे हैं.
Yeah.
Although बनाते बैंक एग्जाम्स के लिए, but if you want to get your basics cleared, then Let's Study Together की
So
questions
most
अच्छे हैं.
importantly, what's the key factor there is questions are segregated according to the type.
हाँ.
So if someone is studying for pipes and crystals, so it will be like in a cluster,
हाँ.
only related to the filling and outing.
समझा.
हाँ, तो
बराबर.
वैसे.
तो questions type wise उन्होंने bifurcate किया. अच्छा, that's nice. That's really good. So this is what something that we are doing this time in the ebooks. Ebooks पे अभी उसी का काम चालू है. It will be bifurcated and given to everyone कि तुम्हें ये टॉपिक्स पढ़ना है. उस हिसाब से कर रहे हैं.
बाकी बुक्स में कैसा रैंडम होता तो वो ढूंढना पड़ता था. इस टाइप के ऊपर मुझे और सॉल्व
हाँ,
करना है.
make sense. अच्छा.
तो उधर से ही करता था.
अच्छा, that's great. तो चलो, anyway, thank you so much, Parth. Overall, loved having the interview with you. And again, congratulations for MSc Finance and Syndham both.
Yeah,
Chalo.
thank you
everyone. And if you guys want to reach out to Parth, you can maybe ask him some questions. LinkedIn.
Yeah, LinkedIn is fine.
You can search him on LinkedIn. Parth Mane. सुहास में लिखा है या
नहीं, only Parth Mane.
तो पार्थ माने बस सिंपली सर्च करोगे, you will find Parth and there you can ask him the questions. चलो, hopefully you answer.
Yeah, definitely I am active on LinkedIn.
चलो, thank you everyone.